Okay, y'all are not gonna believe my luck today. So I was using this lovely Hoover convertible with basically like no issues. And it burnt out in the middle of using it on this carpet here. Now the thing hasn't completely burnt out yet. It started getting really quiet and making weird noises. And I just turned it off and unplugged it. But that sounds a lot like a motor burnout to me. So I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna burn out if I run it for another like minute. And I'm not gonna fill this whole house with smoke, so I'm just gonna keep it unplugged. But the weird thing is, I didn't smell any burning. It just sounded like it was gonna burn out. Is that normal? No electrical smell, no burning, it smells fine. So I'm wondering if it's something to do with the plug, because admittedly this is a little sketchy, but I mean, it looks fine. There is also a split in the cord, but I doubt that would have to do anything with it. Would it be the switch? Like something with the fan, like this spins fine. And keep in mind, I want to get this fixed. I put like $50 worth of parts into this. New belt, new bags, and a $30 base plate. So let me know